You need to stay connected. Voice and data, anytime, anywhere, in real time. Introducing the Panasonic KX-NS1000, a streamlined IP communications platform designed for business, capable of handling small business needs up to enterprise solutions of 1,000 employees. The KX-NS1000 takes unified communications to an entirely new level. Now, email, voicemail, instant messaging, and fax integrate with collaborative technologies to help you maintain your competitive edge. The KX-NS1000 also integrates with new BYOD, Bring Your Own Device standards, allowing employees to use their personal cell phones for work. Personal devices can be synced with an Office extension for access to calls and features. And with multi-site networking, you can create virtual teams across network sites and share resources efficiently, including call distribution, centralized messaging, and conferencing. The pre-installed Panasonic Communication Assistant Productivity Application Suite enhances unified communications and collaboration with visual control of calls and messages from a PC. The one-look networking gives you visibility to all employees regardless of their location, up to 16 sites and 1,000 network users with just a single server. Simplified conferencing, integration with Microsoft Outlook, and integration with third-party apps are just a few more robust features. The KX-NS1000 is the perfect fit for your unique business needs. Designed on an Open Session Initiation Protocol or SIP platform, the KX-NS1000 can be customized with software applications specific to your company and industry needs. This modular approach means that the system can grow and change with you rather than becoming obsolete. The KX-NS1000 offers unlimited connection options to fit the unique needs of your business and your budget. From the award-winning lineup of Panasonic IP phones to our SIP phones, decked portables, digital phones, IP conferencing phones, and even mobile devices, the KX-NS1000 simplifies your communications platform.